Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best garage paints on Amazon. Painting your garage floor can improve the look of your garage while making it easier to clean. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Kilts Concrete and Garage Floor Paint. The Kilts Concrete and Garage Floor Paint provides excellent coverage and holds up well over time. It's designed not to scuff, crack, or blister, even when exposed to hot tires and high traffic. This water-based paint is resistant to chemicals, oil, and gas, and can be used on brick, concrete, masonry, stone, and other surfaces in garages, basements, driveways, etc. It's a quick, simple, and inexpensive option that updates a garage floor and gives the cement a clean look. The paint produces a smooth satin finish that dries in just 2 hours, and 1 gallon covers 400 to 500 square feet on smooth surfaces and 300 to 400 square feet on rough surfaces. It's also easy to clean, and the results are not too shiny. However, it can really soak into concrete, so you may need to apply 2 coats. Some users have also complained that it scratches too easily even after drying for several days. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Epoxy Shield Floor Coating. This is a paint with a 2-part epoxy formula that creates a smooth and durable base for your garage floor. The powerful formula protects the floor from chemicals and prevents peels and cracks. It also achieves a smooth semi-gloss finish for a professional-looking garage. This quality paint dries within 24 hours and becomes ready for foot traffic. Thanks to the VOC and low-odor formula, it's suitable for your garage, basement, and workshop floors. It's easy to maintain and clean, so you don't have to worry about accidental automotive fluid leaks and spills. One epoxy kit, 1 gallon, is enough to cover an area of up to 500 square feet. The main drawback is that you have to follow instructions perfectly to prevent the paint from peeling. That could take quite some time and effort. Also, hot tires won't crack the paint but might leave marks on it. Keep in mind that one kit can cover up to 500 square feet of a smooth surface, but it won't be enough for a 2-car garage with an uneven floor. Number 3. 25LB Box Signature Blend Epoxy Flake. This is a specially crafted epoxy flake blend designed to enhance the appearance and durability of flooring surfaces. It is a unique blend of high-quality epoxy flakes, pigments, and additives that create a stunning, long-lasting finish. With its distinctive B411 domino color, this epoxy flake blend offers an eye-catching contemporary aesthetic that can transform any space. This epoxy flake blend is crafted using superior grade materials, ensuring excellent performance and durability. The B411 domino color variant of this epoxy flake blend is UV resistant, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. One of the standout features of the signature blend epoxy flake is its exceptional quality and durability. Crafted using high-quality polymers, these flakes offer superior resistance to abrasion, chemicals, UV rays, and impact. This makes it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas, such as commercial buildings, garages, and workshops. The flakes are simply broadcasted onto a freshly applied epoxy base coat, allowing for customization in terms of density and pattern. Number 4. INSLX Hot Trax Paint. The INSLX Hot Trax paint is a great option for updating garage or basement floors, driveways, walkways, patios, and pavers. You can also use it on brick, masonry, and stucco surfaces. This epoxy-fortified acrylic concrete garage floor paint can withstand hot tire pickup and other conditions common in garages. This paint features a low VOC formula that is designed to seal and protect your floor from chemicals, grease, oil, and water. It is crack-resistant and produces a satin finish. Each gallon provides 300 to 400 square footage of coverage. Simply apply the paint with a roller or brush in temperatures over 50 degrees Fahrenheit and allow the first coat 24 hours to dry. Then apply a second coat. The manufacturer recommends waiting 5 to 7 days before parking your vehicles on the floor. However, you may need more of the product than you think. You must also properly prep the floor by pressure washing it and degreasing it in order to get the best results. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Epoxy Basement Floor Kit. Although this Rust-Oleum product is primarily a basement floor paint, it also works perfectly for garage floors and other indoor surfaces. The paint has an anti-chemical formula that protects the floor from oils, gasoline, and other spills. It even ensures protection against hot tire skids and marks, so you can park your vehicle at the same moment you get back from a long ride. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.